The Handshake by Greenwood.
Oh. Of course. Hey yo, what's your name, Mika?
I'm Hank, baby.
What are you doing? You idiot! You went for the doughboy.
Ladies and gentlemen, he went for the doughboy. It did not work. What have you learned? Those who do not learn from history are doomed to repeat it.
Alright, baby. Just here you go. Oh, thank you. Hey, what's your name, Mika?
It's big, baby. It's big.
That's right. I like the hand. Don't screw up the sign.
Oh, we did it.
Alright.
We were right.
You said we. Alright.
No. And what's your name, Mika?
Thank, baby. It's all serious now. You don't even make me funny anymore.
Hey, what's your name, Mika?
Thank, baby.
Yeah. This is Green and Wood out.
Talk to you later. That's all for now.